is not a political party. So you are not here as a political party. We are here as a pressure group. We are here to take what belongs to us by pushing our people, and they must do it. But our purpose is to mount pressure on NDDC. Every project they are doing, we will monitor it in your community, in anywhere, to make sure they do the right thing. Senators are collecting heavy money. We are told senators are receiving 2 billion for constituency project every year. House of Rep are receiving 1 billion for constituency project every year. Do you see any constituency project? No. This is why we must rise. Because if you keep quiet, as you are suffering today, your children will also suffer. And the problem I have in Rivers State especially is that 99% of the rich people are all politicians. You won't see business people. All of them are politicians. And the moment anything happens in one camp, you see all of them moving. Woo! Look at what disgraceful thing we are having in Nigeria today. Governors that people were elected, instead of you to protect your people, you are running to APC, running to APC, running to APC. Can't you stand? I told them, one man that is 2 people in Nigeria, that is my mentor, is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Barrister Nyesom Ezebunwo-Wike. And I don't hide it. And you ask me why? I said, these are men who stood their ground. Tinubu was being pressurized by Obasanjo. They seized their location in Lagos State. The man refused to leave AD. He finished for 8 years, AD. Nyesom Wike was in Rivers State. We know his antecedent. No matter how the APC governor was pressurizing him, he stood his ground in Rivers State until he finished in PDP. So we have baby governor today that are running up and down. Even the one that is doing second tenure, that have finished first tenure and is doing second tenure. What are you defecting for? Where are you going to? Because they don't have any hair to do business to survive. They feel that the only thing they can do is politics.
As we speak right now, a lot of people are warming up for 2027. And it is our own position as SSDM to actually position the rightful persons that we can support. Just like what my national chairman have just posited right now. It's our political. We are pressure group. We have voice. And we are talking about 6 states. And we are fully represented. With how we have started now, and let me tell you, we are going to take this region by storm.
We flood everywhere. And how do I do that? I go tell a woman to tell a woman. Tell a woman to tell a woman. That's just how we move. We are like evangelizing SSDN, and it's moving as fast as you can imagine.
Going by our vision and the activism inborn in me has been activated to full capacity as it stands now.
Is somebody here? God.
Secretary 2, State Level.
One people, one voice, one purpose.
I'm a prince, so don't be a prince just like that. Like our chairman here is prince.
Whatever that is what's starting well. Father, we are starting this meeting democracy.